Welcome guys, today I am with Jabra Speak 510 and I'm going to show you how you can pair this speaker with your Android phone. So first, let's power on by using this button. Right now, click and hold this button to enter pairing mode.
To connect the Jabra Speak 510, go to the Bluetooth menu on your smartphone and select it from the list.
As you can hear, we got even the voice notification that right now we have to open the Bluetooth settings on our device. We have to enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher, and then we can take a look on the available devices list. As you can see, the Jabra Speak 510 appears right now, so we can select this device. I just tap on the Mi Smart Band 5, but let me just refresh the list or just power on, off and on Bluetooth. It will also work. Right now select your speaker, accept pairing request.
Smartphone connected.
And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's how you can step by step connect your Android smartphone or any other Android device with this Jabra Speak 510. Power on device, enable Bluetooth pairing, open Bluetooth settings on your phone, and select device from available devices list. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.